Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to find the App Store on a Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. So right here I have a quick AI overview on how to locate the Samsung App Store on your Smart TV. So what you want to do is go ahead and turn on Samsung Smart TV by using the remote and ensure that your Smart TV is connected to the internet. Once you've done that, press the home option on your remote to open up the Smart Hub or the home page. Once you've done that, navigate to the apps selection and look for an icon labeled apps or similar, often App Store or something of that sort. And it is usually represented by squares or dots and select it using your remote. Once you've done that, this will display a list of available apps for your smart TV. Browse or search for apps. You can use the search bar to find a specific app and browse through categories like video, lifestyle, and entertainment. Now, once you find your desired app, go ahead and select that app that you want and choose install. Once you've installed it, go ahead and you can open up that app and use it as you desire. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.